Thinking about buying the Ninja Mega Kitchen System? You've seen the ads, the big promises, and that impressive 4.7-star rating. You're probably imagining perfectly smooth smoothies, quick dough, and effortless meal prep. But before you spend your hard-earned $180, you need to hear the problems no one is talking about. I own it. I've tested every function, and I'm here to give you the honest, unfiltered review that could save you from a costly mistake. For the best price, click the link in the description. Here's the surprising truth. This kitchen powerhouse has some frustrating flaws that might make you regret the purchase. Therefore, let's dive into the 3 biggest issues you need to know. But first, let's talk about what this system actually is. It's a 1500-watt motor base that promises to be your blender, your food processor, and your personal smoothie maker all in one. It comes with that massive 72-ounce pitcher, 2 16-ounce to-go cups, and an 8-cup food processor bowl with 2 blades. On paper, it's a dream for a busy kitchen. However, the reality of using it daily reveals cracks in the armor. The first major problem is the noise. And I don't mean a gentle hum. I'm talking about a hair dryer meets jet engine sound that will have your dog hiding and your spouse giving you the side-eye. This 1500-watt motor has the power of a small car, apparently, and it wants the whole neighborhood to know it. Making a morning smoothie becomes a declaration of war on silence. You can't have a conversation over it. You can't hear your podcast. It's so loud, I'm convinced it could blend my regrets from 2012. That incredible power comes with an acoustic cost that the product page conveniently forgets to mention. Therefore, let's move to the second big issue, cleanup. They say everything is dishwasher safe, which is great. But here's the catch. The design is a trap for ingredients. The stacked blade assembly and the big pitcher. Food gets stuck underneath the blades, in a hidden crevice you can't easily reach. You'll be there with a butter knife, poking at spinach remnants like a culinary archaeologist. It's a frustrating 5-minute process after a 10-second blend. The food processor bowl has a similar design quirk. For a system meant to save you time, it oddly creates a new chore. It's like buying a self-cleaning oven that asks you to scrub its feelings first. But wait, there's more. The third critical flaw is inconsistency. This is the real deal breaker. That 4.7-star rating suggests perfection, right? Wrong. The food processor is a great example. It comes with a dedicated chopping blade and a dough blade. For veggies, it can be fantastic, giving you even chops. However, for things like making nut butter or hummus, it struggles. The motor is powerful, but the bowl design and blade placement often leave unprocessed chunks at the top, forcing you to stop, scrape, and restart multiple times. It's not the set it and forget it experience you're paying for. The promise of professional results sometimes ends with amateur frustration. So, is it all bad? Not at all. Let's be fair and talk about where this Ninja system absolutely shines, because it does have killer features. The single-serve function with those Ninja cups is genuinely awesome. The Pro Extractor blades make incredibly smooth, well-blended shakes in seconds, with no icy chunks. It's perfect for a quick protein shake or smoothie to go. The lids are secure, and cleanup for these cups is simple. This is arguably the best part of the entire system. Also, crushing ice in the large pitcher is no joke. The total crushing blades turn ice cubes into snow in seconds, which is fantastic for frozen cocktails or slushies. For big batch blending of frozen drinks, it delivers. And the dough blade. It genuinely can mix up 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. If you bake a lot, that feature alone might be worth it for you. Just wear earplugs. Therefore, who is this system actually for? It's a match for a specific person. If you host big parties and need to make giant batches of margaritas, and you don't mind the noise or the cleanup, the blender pitcher is a beast. If your primary goal is single-serve smoothies and you'll use the big pitcher occasionally, it could work. But if you're looking for a quiet, elegant, easy-to-clean kitchen workhorse for daily diverse meal prep, you might be disappointed. The Mega in the name is about power and size, not necessarily finesse or convenience. Let's compare it to the competition for a second. For around the same price, you could get a dedicated high-performance blender from another brand known for quieter operation and easier cleaning, plus a separate, simpler food processor. You'd lose the all-in-one convenience, but you might gain peace, literally and figuratively. The Ninja's value is in its combo nature, but that combo comes with compromises. It's like a Swiss Army knife with a really loud, hard-to-clean corkscrew. So, what's the final verdict? After months of testing, I can't give it a full-throated recommendation. The problems are real. The deafening noise, the finicky cleanup, and the occasional performance inconsistency. They're the kind of daily irritations that make you reach for a cheaper, simpler tool instead. However, if your needs align perfectly with its strengths, massive frozen blending and single-serve drinks, and you can tolerate its weaknesses, it might still earn a spot on your counter. Just know what you're signing up for. It's not the flawless kitchen hero the marketing suggests. It's a powerful, loud, somewhat messy roommate for your kitchen. Before you make your decision, I've done the research for you. For the latest price, user reviews, and to see if it's currently on sale, click the link in the description below. That's the best place to get the Ninja Mega Kitchen System on Amazon. Thanks for watching this honest review. Hopefully, it helped you avoid a blending blunder.